ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Monica Braganza. Hello children, how are you all? Okay, today I am going to take you somewhere. What you know? Yes? Yes, come on, tell me. Okay, all of you stand up. Stand up. Very good. Now, all of you clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay, now show me your finger. Move your finger round and round, and hands at the back. Okay, but today we are going to sing one rhymes. You all want to sing? Yes? Okay, then you have to listen it properly and you are going to repeat after me. Okay? Now, before we start, you all have learned these rhymes. You remember where? Yes, in your nursery class, but we are going to repeat it once again, and this is the rhymes about alphabets. You know how many alphabets are there? Yes, anyone can tell me? No? No problem. Today we are going to learn alphabets and you are going to sing after me. Okay, so all of you stand up. With action we are going to sing a rhyme. Okay, come on, ready children? Very good. Okay, come on, start with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. So children, all of you want to learn ABC? Yes? Very good. So now, to learn ABCD, you all have to be a good children. Are you good children? Very good. Okay. Then I'll show you something. You know what is this? All of you look on the board. Yes, this is our English book, and this book is very beautiful with colorful pictures. And you know who has prepared this book? Yes, it has been prepared by your teachers. So you want to see the book? Yes, children? Yes, very good. So, what is this? Come on, tell me. Yes. Look at this. Which alphabet is this? Come on, come on. Yes, this is A. Which alphabet is this? A. Come on, all of you repeat, children. Which alphabet is this? Very good. Loudly. Yes, correct. A. Now look at the picture. What is that? Yes, it is a name of a fruit, and all of you eat this fruit. Which fruit is that? Yes, come on, try. Very good. Apple. Which fruit is that? Apple. Very good. Now, come on, tell me, what is the color of an apple? I think it is green, yellow, black. No? Then correct. It is red in color. Very good. Okay. Now if I cut that apple, what is the color inside? Come on, try. Yes, very good. It will be white in color. And there are tiny, tiny things inside it. What is that, children? Yes, we call it seed. There are few seeds inside the apple, right? Okay. So all of you repeat after me. A for apple. Loudly, children. A for apple. Once again, A for apple. Okay. Can you see the next picture? What is that? Yes, all of you have seen. Yes, it is. Sometimes it comes inside your house. And when you try to touch it, what it will do? It will bite you. Correct? Yes. What is that? Yes, ant. What is that, children? Ant. So, all of you repeat after me. A for ant. All of you look here. A for ant. Come on, once again. A for ant. Again, children. A for apple. Again, A for apple. A for ant. Okay. Now, come on, all of you try to tell me few more things with alphabet A. Come on, all of you think. Yes, come on, come on, come on, come on. Who will tell me? Yes, okay, I will tell you. Suppose if I want to go to Bombay, what I'll do? I'll go by? Correct, train, very good. One more vehicle I'll use, which flies in sky. What is that? Yes, very good. Aeroplane. What is that, children? Aeroplane. So, A for aeroplane. Come on, children. A for aeroplane. Very good. Now we move on to our next alphabet. Which alphabet is that? Come on, all of you look on the board. What is that? Yes, B. Which alphabet is that? B. All of you repeat after me. Which alphabet is this? B. Very good. Loudly, come on, say B. Which alphabet is that? B. Okay. Can you see here? What is that? Yes, of course you have seen that. You all go to school. You come to school, children. There we have seen that. What is that? Yes, it is a school bus. All of you have seen a school bus? Yes. So, bus. What it is? Bus. Okay, tell me. What is the color of a school bus? Black? Look on the board. Black? No. Then red. Correct? No. Very good. What is the color of a school bus? Yellow. What is the color of a school bus, children? Yellow. Very good. Okay. Now, if I want to go to school, what I will do? I'll take my bottle and lunch box and I'll just move on to school. No. If you want to go to school, what you will do? Yes, of course. You have to carry books. You have to carry your pencil box, pencil, eraser, everything. Okay, your lunch box also. Correct. So, can we take everything in our hand and go to school? Yes? No. Then, in what we keep everything and we go to school, children? Come on. Yes. Bag. Without bag, we don't go to school. So, all of you look here. What is this? Bag. All of you are having a school bag, right? It is of different color. Can you see a bag? Okay, tell me. What is the color of that bag? Yes? Black. Very good. Now, all of you look at your hair. Okay, now tell me the color of your hair. What is the color of your hair? Yes, correct. Black. Okay, children. So, the school bag is black. So, it also starts with which alphabet? B. B for black. Our hair is black. School bag is black. And without school bag, we don't go to school. Right? So, you are going to repeat after me. Okay, ready, children? Come on, repeat after me. B for bus. Again, B for bus. Now, B for bag. Loudly. B for bag. Very good. Now, we'll move on to our next alphabet. What is that? Come on, try. Correct. It is C. Which alphabet is that? C. Okay. Now, look here. This animal all of you have seen. It has 2 legs, right? 1 leg? No. How many legs it has? 4 legs. And how many ears? Come on. Correct. 2 ears. And a tail. Which animal? Look at the picture. Yes, cat. What do cat drink, children? Yes, it drinks milk. What do cat drink? Milk. Yes. So all of you have seen a cat? Yes. Many of you have seen inside your house. It comes inside your house, right? Yes. So come on, repeat after me. C for cat. Again, C for cat. Okay. Now, if I want to go out, you know in what I will sit and go? I like to sit in that. What is that? Yes, car. All of you are having a car. Some of you must be having a car. And who drives that car? Yes, your daddy, right? Okay. So now look here. What is this, children? Yes, it is a car. All of you repeat. C for car. Again, children. C for car. Okay. Now one more thing you can tell me, starting with alphabet C. Come on, all of you try. What is that? Okay, I will tell you. You wear it on your head. What is that? When you feel hot, you wear it, right? Your mummy tells to wear. What is that, children? Correct. Cap. Come on, say C for cap. All of you repeat. C for cap. Okay, children. Once again, we are going to do revision of these alphabet. But all of you have to be a good children and you have to repeat after me. Right? A for apple. Loudly. A for apple. A for ant. A for ant. B for, yes, bus. B for bus. And B for what you carry? Yes, correct. Bag. B for bag. C for meow. What is that? Correct. Cat. C for cat. And C for right. Car. Come on. C for car. Now we'll go on to our next alphabet. Okay. Look on the board. What is that? Yes. It is an animal. And what does it do? It barks. How it barks? Wow, wow. All of you have seen? What is that? Yes, good. It is a dog. All of you have seen a dog? Yeah, many must be having at your house also, right? We keep it in our house. That is a pet animal. Okay? Or when you go out, you see on the road. Right, children? Yes. So, D for dog. Very good. Okay, now tell me, how many legs do dog have? Come on. Yes, dog has 4 legs. How many legs dog have? 4 legs. And 1 eye, right? How many eyes? Good. Dog is having 2 eyes. How many eyes you have? Come on, all of you show me your eyes. Correct. All of you touch your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close. Open. Okay. How many eyes you have? Good. We have 2 eyes. Now dog, how many eyes dogs have? 2 eyes. Very good. Now, can you see this? What is that you know? Yes. You can play with it. We play music. What is that? Come on. Correct. It is a drum. So, D for drum. All of you must be having a toy drum, right? Yes. Come on, bring it and try to play. Come on, come on. Can you hear the sound? Yes? Very good. So, D for drum. Good. Now, look here. Which alphabet is this? Yes. E. Which alphabet is that? E. Okay. What is this? Yes. When we go to a jungle, we see this animal. Which animal is that? Yes. It is a big and a huge animal. What it is? Come on, look at the picture. Correct. Elephant. What it is? Elephant. Okay, have you seen an elephant? It is big and huge animal. Many times you see on the road, right children? Yes. So, E for elephant. Okay. You know what elephant has? Elephant has a big Trunk. And you know what it do with his trunk? Yes, it take things from his trunk and it eat. It put in its mouth. Right? Okay. Now, can you see the another picture? What is that? This? Yes? No? Then lips? No? What is that? Yes, ears. What is that? Ears. Okay, come on, all of you show me your ears. Come on. Very good. Okay, how many ears you have? 1, 4. No. How many ears we have? 2 ears. How many ears we have? 2 ears. Okay, all of you come on, touch your ears. Good. Now pull your ears. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now, you can see your body part. You can stand in front of a mirror. And one more body part is that. We start with E. What is that? Yes. Come on, try. Correct. Eyes. Come on, all of you show me your eyes. What you do with your eyes? Come on. Very good. We see with eyes. What we do with eyes? We see with eyes. Okay. Now close your eyes. All of you close your eyes. Now can you see anything? No. Now open your eyes. Can you see? Yes. We can see so many beautiful things around us. With what do we see? We see with our eyes. And what do you do with your ears? Come on. Yes. We hear with our ears. If ears are not there, are you able to hear the sound? No. If you want to hear rhymes, if your ears are not there, can you hear? No. So for that, what is God has given us? Ears. We hear with our ears. Good. Now, see next alphabet. What is that? Yes. Very good. F. Now look here. What it is? Yes. Most of you are having in your house, in your garden. Correct. You see many beautiful flowers with beautiful color. Correct, children? So, F for flower. All of you repeat. F for flower. Again, children. F for flower. Okay. Flower is of one color or different color? Come on, tell me. Yes. Can you see flower here? Come on, tell me the color of that flower. Good. It is orange. And one more flower is there. What is the color of that flower? Yellow. If you go to the garden, you see flowers of different colors. Red, pink, white. Correct? Yes. So F for flower. Now, when you feel hot, what you do? If you are there inside your room and if you feel hot, what you do, children? Yes, we'll run. We'll put on the lights. We'll put on, correct, fan. If fan is not there, how you'll feel? We'll feel hot. So what we do? We put on fan. And how does the fan move? Round and round. How does the fan move? Round and round. Okay. So F for fan. Come on loudly, children. F for fan. Again. F for fan. And F for what you can think? Yes, all of you likes to eat. Grapes, apple, bananas. What it is? Good. It is a fruits. So F for fruits. All of you like to eat fruits. No, children? Very good. Now, we are going to repeat all this alphabet. You are going to repeat after me and every day you have to do revision at home. Okay? So repeat after me. D for dog. Loudly. D for dog. Okay, come on all of you. How does dog bark? Come on, make that sound. Very good. Bow wow. Very good. D for, yes, drum. D for drum. Now, E for, correct, elephant. E for elephant. E for, Yes, ears. E for ears. F for, I like to smell. What is that? Flower. F for flower. And F for, correct, fan. F for fan. So children, all of you are good children. So every day you have to do revision of this. Okay children? So revise and be a good children.